Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable portable hotspot on LG Gram laptop. First, click on the three icons on your taskbar and enable your Wi-Fi. Then scroll down this list and click on mobile hotspot icon to enable it. Then right click on it, select go to settings, and then you have to select the method of sharing your Wi-Fi. In your case, you can only do it using the Wi-Fi, and but you can also enable or disable power saving mode. If it's enabled, then your mobile hotspot will turn off automatically once all the devices are disconnected from it. And in properties, you can change the name, password, and the band of your mobile hotspot by clicking edit and providing the network name, the network password, and choosing either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz network band or any available, and click save. And here you can see the QR code that you can scan using other device to quickly connect to your mobile hotspot, and the list of devices connected right below. And here you can also disable the mobile hotspot by switching this toggle to the left. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.